Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and today I'm here to share a White Rose Crafts DT project. And these are some chipboard hearts that White Rose Crafts sells. It's actually a heart mini album. They're just plain chipboard, and I have turned them into Valentines. The paper that I used is the Rosalie paper by 13 Arts on this one, which looks like this. Absolutely gorgeous, shabby chic, very Parisian feel with the pink and the black. It's absolutely beautiful paper. I love it. So I used that one for this heart, and then for the other heart, I used this paper, which is called Unforgettable, in the pinks, or the white, pardon me, red and the blacks. And it's also by 13 Arts. So those are the two paper lines that I used from White Rose Crafts. And the link to White Rose Crafts will be in the description box below. And also, if you use the discount code KIM15, you'll get 15% off of your order. So I'll do one at a time. So this one is with the Rosalie paper. And all I did for the back here was put the paper down on the chipboard heart, and then I gathered some lace around it and then used this beautiful vintage trim. Both are from my stash. And that's all I did. You can write a little personal message on the back. It's really great. I love it. And then on the front, it looks like this. And again, you can see the beautiful paper in the background. And I also used the die cuts for Rosalie, which you can also find at White Rose Crafts. And I've got them tucked in. I've got a piece of one of the chip. I can talk. I've got one of the little pieces here of ephemera, and then I've got a little stamp tucked back here from the ephemera, and then the memories was also in the ephemera pack right there. And then here is a gorgeous heart with wings chipboard piece from White Rose Crafts. And all I did was emboss it with some shabby pink embossing powder. But White Rose Crafts, and that's for my stash, but White Rose Crafts has a big selection of embossing powder as well. The flowers are from White Rose Crafts, and they are from Kaiser Craft. And I used the pink and the white on this one. And then I just used some more trim down at the bottom here. And then I made a seam binding bow and a cameo right there, and just a paper flower from my stash. But it's very pretty, and I was going to put a little hanger on the back as well, so whoever gets the Valentine can also hang it up, and then it will have a nice little message on the back to whoever it's for. So that's the first one. And then the second one, I used fabric on the back. It's padded a bit with some felt. And then I used this trim from my stash and some doilies from my stash on the back. And then on the front, again, it's the chipboard heart from White Rose Crafts. I used the buttons from my stash, just some little small pins. This one's very vintage inspired. Some handmade flowers and bling. I did put the paper on here, but you can't really see it. So, but anyway, some bling from my stash and some laces, but the chipboard heart is from White Rose Crafts. So please go over and check it out. And also today on my live, I used both of those same paper lines to make these beautiful specimen cards. And if you were at my live today, you saw them. And these are both the White Rose Craft papers that I mentioned in the beginning. This one is, I used the Stains by Patty Pockets to color it, or you could just coffee dye the paper, but this is actually white paper, but I wanted it to look more vintage. And it's got the Tim Holtz people in there, and I used some ephemera from the Rosalie paper. This is the Rosalie paper. And I made the Specimen cards. And if you just go on my channel and check out my live from today, you'll see how to make these. And some doilies from my stash. This is ephemera from the Rosalie pack, and the cinema ticket is also from that. This is from the Unforgettable paper here, and I used one of just an ephemera butterfly from my stash, but this is from the Rosalie pack, this butterfly. Just a word that says magical, and some laces and trims from my stash. And what I used in the middle is just those page protectors, just to make them look like slides, really, but they're bigger, so they'll be great to tuck in your pockets for your junk journal. So that is my DT projects for White Rose Crafts, the 2 hearts and the two slides right here. So please go over and check out White Rose Crafts, and I will be back with another video soon. Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.